What's the meaning of J Ayer? J Ayer. J Ayer. J Ayer. J Ayer. J Ayer.
J Ayer refers to the philosopher Alfred Jules Ayer, who was born in London in 1910 and died in 1989. He is known for his contributions to logical positivism, which held that meaningful statements are only those which can be empirically verified. Ayer emphasized the importance of clarity in philosophical discourse and argued against metaphysical claims. His most famous work is Language, Truth and Logic, which was published in 1936. Overall, Ayer's ideas had a significant impact on the development of analytic philosophy in the 20th century.